Finally, a big success for the security forces as they have successfully neutralized two terrorists in Jathana forest area where operation was started early in the morning and operation still continue. You could see that, security forces, personal Jammu Kashmir Police SOG wing Jawans, they are continuously standing over here and ensuring that if terrorists, they will try to flee from that location, they have to neutralize them. Sources says that about 4 to 5 terrorists were spotted in this area. 2 has been gunned down and 2 to 3 still hiding in this forest area. So security forces has to neutralize all the terrorists, and you could see that this is the very location where you can see the marks of the lights, because there are some houses in this forest area, and definitely security forces has to ensure that they the people of living in this area, they has to be protected, and then they have to neutralize all the terrorists present over here. So operation still continues. 5 of our security forces Jawan, they are also injured in this ongoing operation, and they have been shifted to the hospital where treatment is going on. Definitely it is a challenging situation because terrorists, those were spotted in the Hiranagar sector, most likely they are the same group, those who have moved about 40 to 45 kilometers in the forest area of this Jathana, where they were traced yesterday late night, and today early in the morning operation was started. So forces, they are trying that they has to be neutralized as soon as possible, and most likely they are from the Jaish-e-Mohammed group, and they are well trained by the Pakistani army, and they are well trained to survive in the forest terrain as well. So definitely they were a very hard terrorist, and security forces, they are trying to neutralize them as soon as possible, because they know that if they will survive over here, they can be threat to the civilians' life over there in this area. Tomorrow morning, once again, operation will start with the very first light of sun, because due to the dark, the security forces will not be able to operate more effectively or that effectively what they were doing in the morning. So that's why operation is continuing. But tomorrow morning, this operation will once again begin with the same pace which was going on over today. With Bunty Digra, Ajay Jandial, Newsx, Jathana.
For more such videos, subscribe to the Newsx YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.